The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, what we're going to do is learn how to read and set the data of a text field using Java Swing. As always, these files are available for download. Use that link provided below in the description. We'll pause for a couple seconds so you can download them, and then we'll get started. All right, so let's get started. You'll notice that this looks very familiar to our last example where we created a text field and a label. We've added a button and we've done all the initial setup that we need. So we're going to come down here to our to-do, and this is where we're going to set the name of the button or the text field of the button to be the text within the text box. You notice I already have an action listener set up, so we got that from our previous example as well. And now what we're going to do is simply add the lines of code necessary. So I'm going to come over here, and what I want to do first is to read the value of my text field. And I'm going to automatically put that into the text of my button. So I'm going to say button dot set text. Then I have to get the text. Well, what text is this going to be? Well, this is going to be name, which is the name of my JTextField dot get text. You notice I have a couple different get text. I can get a selected text if something's highlighted. I can get it based off an offset if I want and specify a certain number of characters. I'm just going to get the whole thing to make it easy. Now, if I want to set the text of my text button, I'm also going to specify, in this case, my name, dot, then I'll say set text. There I put in a value. Well, what value am I going to put? Data copied. Okay, so this is real simple. Now we're going to run our application. I have my name text field. I have my press me button. I can put anything inside my name field that I want to. I'm going to specify Bob just to keep it kind of simple. When I click press me, it's going to come down to my action perform method within my add action or listener. What that's going to do is going to copy Bob into the text for the press me button, and then it's going to change the name of my text field. And if I click on that, you see that's exactly what happened. We're able to use the get text to get the text from the field and the set text. This is very simple because JText fields can only hold text. So they can only hold strings. That makes it very easy to move data like this. We'll see in some other future videos where we have objects that we put in, and it may not be quite as simple as saying, oh, here's this object, I want to put it here, because you might need to convert it to a string or read a field out of that value. Hopefully this example was helpful for you. If so, please give it a like and consider subscribing so you can see more videos on how to get better at programming.